Hey there, welcome to the garage. Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Thanks for joining in. I got my welding shirt on, so what does that mean? I'm going to be trying to weld again. The good news is I've gotten better at welding. The bad news is I still weld like a plumber. See, I got a buddy of mine, he came down from Arkansas. He's got a trailer that he needs new ramps for. He saw the ramps that I built on my trailer, and he's got some little short ramps, and he needs longer ones that give him a less steep angle to get his low profile cars up onto. So he brought his trailer over, and we're going to build him some new ramps. So I got all the stuff, and I just need to kind of move some stuff around in the garage and get it cleaned up before he gets here, so we can get started. And just like that, Larry's here. Say hi, Larry.
Hello. Hi, Larry.
Cool. Hi, Larry. So this is a trailer we're going to be adding ramps to. There you go. So these are your existing ramps. They're only 4 feet long and
3 actually.
Like, are they only 3 feet long?
3 feet, yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. So, and they're really narrow too. So even though you're dovetail, they're still just too steep. So we're going to make some longer ramps that'll make it easier for you to get your rigs on. My favorite is when you cut and you're a little bit too long, so you shave a little off, and you're a little too long, and you shave a little off, and you're a little too long, and you shave a little off, and you're 3 inches short.
How did it happen?
So we got these guys cut. We got the angles at the bottom. We're going to put plates on those. We have the half moon or C cut at the top for the tube. We have measured out. We're going to put these, they're going to be 14 inches. So we're going to cut the 2-inch angle iron at 14 inches, and we're going to space them out 8 1/4 inches, starting 2 inches from the top. And that should land us right down here at the bottom, just enough room to have this bottom angle iron, and then still have room to maybe add a landing plate or something like that. So we're going to get to cutting some angles. When you're working with C-channel, you're going to find that, you guys may already know this, that it's not exactly straight and square. So you got to kind of, even if you cut it exactly and you measure and you get it all square, it's still going to have little twists and bows in it. So you have to kind of mess with it a little bit to get everything lined up. Just keep that in mind if you're building your own ramps. In case you guys haven't figured out yet, so Larry is a friend of mine. We've been friends for a long time, and he also has a YouTube channel. He builds some really cool cars. Does a lot of different stuff than I do, but still garage fabrication kind of things. Anyway, check out his channel. It's called Bass and Hot Rods, and I think you'll like it. He's doing a 32. It's a replica 32 Ford. He's doing a replica of Chevy Cobra. He's rebuilding a '66 Mustang. He's done a lot of cool stuff. So check out his channel. Anyway, he's going to get some paint so we can paint these ramps, and I'm going to get back to welding.
Hot. 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 Hot.
Larry and I were just talking about this fabrication table that I use, and I use that term fabrication table loosely because if you're a hardcore fabricator, then like a fireball table or something like that that gets into several $1,000s is definitely something you want to look into. But so Larry, what I was talking about was this thing works really well for like doing what we do, right? Like so light fabrication or whatever. The top, you can clamp stuff down to it, but the top it's thin. I don't even really, it holds stuff, but if you were really needing to position something and get it like super duper accurate, these holes will eventually deform by putting too much pressure on them, and it's just going to lose its integrity for super exact measurements. So I love the table. This one's from Northern Tool. I think the one from Harbor Freight is virtually identical, and they're both about $180 or something.
It
like
is.
that.
That's the one I've been looking at, as a matter of fact.
Yeah. So, and it comes with all these clamps and everything. It works great for what I do. I wish it was a little bigger. It's like 2x3 roughly. So it'd be really great if it were 3x5. I don't know. And I've seen guys that take them and like combine them together. I saw a guy that built a whole frame and put two of them together. That's a lot of work to end. I don't know. So I'm going to do something eventually, but if it were a little bigger, it would help. As you've seen with these 6-foot ramps that we're doing, we had to really monkey with it. So, but I mean, it's coming through. So anyway, just a little bit on some of the stuff that we're using while we're making these ramps, and these inexpensive fabrication tables from Northern Tool or Harbor Freight, they work really well unless if you're doing super precision fabrication. And just like that, another set of ramps are done. Did these a little different. I had some gussets that were already cut. They were a little thick, but we used those since these are a little short legs on these. Those gussets worked really good. So these actually turned out really well. Larry's about to get these painted up. Might let them dry, and then he's gonna hit the road to Arkansas. Looks good, dude. Yeah, there you go. Now I get to clean up the shop.